Welcome to this Divi Rock Maps usage tutorial. Step 1. Add the module. Open the Divi Builder, then search and add the Divi Rock Dynamic Map module to your desired page or post. Step 2. Set the map center. 1. Navigate to the Content section of the module and go to the Content option. 2. Choose the map center type. First value. This option centers the map based on the coordinates of the first element added to the module. Manual. This mode allows you to enter custom latitude and longitude for positioning the map at a specific center location. Step 3. Set the map zoom. In the Content section, adjust the default zoom level for the map. Step 4. Select the map post type. Choose the post type that you have designated for creating your map items. Step 5. Select the coordinates. Select the Advanced Custom Fields, ACF, fields that contain the latitude and longitude coordinates. For this, you must have previously created the ACF fields for latitude and longitude. Step 6. Add pop-up fields. Add as many pop-up fields as desired to appear on each map marker. 1. Click on Add New Pop-up to create a new pop-up field. 2. Configure the pop-up fields. Pop-up type. Choose to display ACF custom fields or taxonomies. Make sure they exist in your selected post type for the data to be retrieved. Pop-up icon. Select the icon that will appear next to the pop-up field. Pop-up show label. Choose whether to include a label for the pop-up field. Pop-up label. Enter the text for the pop-up label. Pop-up value. Specify the ACF or taxonomy from which the module will retrieve the data to display in the pop-up field. Customize individual pop-up fields by selecting their respective design tabs if desired. Step 7. Set the map height. Go back to the main Content section and switch to the Design tab and go to the Sizing option. Set a custom height for your map. Step 8. Save changes. Finally, save your changes and publish the page or post. By following these steps, you can successfully configure and utilize the Divi Rock Dynamic Map module on your Divi Builder page or post. Enjoy creating maps with ease by use Divi Dynamic Maps module.